Yo, what's good YouTube? Today we're gonna play some Assetto Corsa. We are driving through the traffic. So here's also Pants, if you know him from the other videos. His problem, his PC is very buggy. My headset is still not working, so I hope we will stay with this here, with my mic here. So what do we have right now? We have, I don't know what the car is, but it's very light and has a lot of horsepower, and we will try to cut through traffic, dogs. I'm always very bad, like when I need to be good, you know? But like when I'm just freestyling, I'm much better. Much better. You know what I'm saying, Bands? Bands has also some mental breakdown because like everything is destroyed in his PC. Like his PC
Nothing works, guys.
nothing, man. But yesterday was actually very fun with Lucas, with your girlfriend, everything. Like the entire setting was just so
Shut
funny.
Lucas out, guys.
What? Shout out to Lucas or what?
Shout out to Dugo.
To Lucas. Shout out to Lucas.
I don't make my track opium. Make 36 degrees. Oh my god, that's so cool.
What the heck?
What the hell?
What up, gang? What up? It's actually pretty easy to just. This is light
Guys,
traffic.
if you need some videos and accessories for your sex life, add me on IG, guys.
Yo, he didn't even consume something, but he's just like that. That's crazy. Yes, if you are interested in some tutorials, I can help you actually to go in Assetto Corsa in these servers because it was very difficult. Like when we started to do it, very difficult. But now we know how to do it. It's just with Content Manager, and you also need to go on a Discord. Those things. But in normal Assetto, do a race or what?
Ne, ich komme nicht rein, einfach ran, Mann, weil. Wo kann ich denn? Wo kann. Oh, da die Chef fight, da springt der Mob. Ein Mob, ein Mob, ein Mob. Oh.
I'm just driving with one foot on the thing, so I need to press gas or brake. So I can't drive very fast. Also, like when you cut, I think it's pretty stupid to drive very, very aggressive.
Stay high, guys. Stay high, simple.
Like I want that squeeze bands experience, not that die bands experience. Now I'm saying type shit. Oh my god.
Hölle, bro.
Also in the third gear, I can actually like the input is very good. Like I could be in the fourth gear, yeah, but like in the fourth gear, I can't press the gas very fast. No, like I need that response time. But like when I'm in the third gear, it goes instantly. You see that? Also, I think this is the turbo what we are hearing. I don't know if this is a supercharger or the turbo.
Baby, can you help me? Oh, that guy.
We can also play a little. Do you want to play Roblox afterwards or not?
Yes.
Or just play Assetto? Because like Assetto Corsa is very fun, but like just doing this mode, it's actually very boring after some time. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, where the fuck is it, bro? Teams install.
Teams installer.
I hate that. Actually, you guys, making that an out of beat, bro.
Opa. First car we collided with, and it wasn't even completely unnecessary to do this. Opa. You know they can hear you. Stand.
LS.
Yeah, they can. You already said hello.
With this Assetto Corsa right there, I have it.
Right now we're also on the Nohezi server. We wanted to try pushing P, but like it was too difficult to go in. Also, I got
Pushing
that
P.
strange, yeah, right. I got that strange bug like with that handbrake thing, and that's so annoying. Why does he want to do it? Why does he want to do it in fourth? I just want to stay in third. I'll stay in third.
Shit, da questa funka.
Yo, 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 yo! No, no, no! Oh, I shouldn't have.
Сейчас мы шкода красиво. Fucking funka. Wahrscheinlich habe ich spiele Roblox.
Really interested in playing Roblox. I
Ja,
call
aber
my
ich weiß
shot.
nicht, wovon ich die Scheiße war. Ich will keine Ahnung.
Look at the YouTube video I sent you with the colliders and this shit there. That's a big problem. Whoopa. With the colliders, guys. Like, if you don't have the DLCs, a lot of servers got so DLC content. That's why you need to download things. But like, even though you can download it, sometimes you have that bug with the colliders, and that's you need to then delete the colliders and put in the colliders of some other objects, and it will actually work. That's crazy. But yes. Right now, Bands is searching for that colliders, but he can't even see the cars, even though he's in the car folder.
Also nicht der Teil, Bro.
I don't know, I'm not watching. I don't want to leak your PC. But like, look, just the video. You already did it once with the video, so it should
But
actually
where is the
work.
video? You didn't send it to me.
Yes, yes. Look at our chat. Look at our chat.
This is the so simple video.
Yeah, I sent you two videos. One with tutorial, second one with the colliders thing.
No, bro, you just sent one.
That was clean right now. I sent you two. Come on.
No, bro. I swear, bro. Send me the video, bro.
I crash. I'll show you. If I find it, I will kill you. I will murder you. Okay, I didn't send it to you. How to bypass this would be the best one. Alright, see, look, I sent you.
Thank you.
Like, I just bought the Corsa normal pack, not that everything in it. Even though it would also be not that price inside. Now I'm at 40 gear, but it's been 30 gear, but like, here it's not that difficult. Okay, I shouldn't have been so fast.
However, do you know what is Papi Chulo means?
Papi chulo, no, said.
Okay.
What does this mean, dog?
I don't know.
Why are you asking me then? Did he say that in the video? I doubt it. But now I'm just running two fingers.
You're so cool, bro. I want to be like you.
Thank you, ball. Oh man.
Guys, if you want to be like him, write it in the chat.
Oh man. You need to see the autismus kicks he's getting like in Discord. Like yesterday when we cut up the video, he called me like for 1 hour. What did you call me again for 1 hour? He said it the entire time, and I was so mad.
Pico.
Pico, what Pico? Oh man, it was so annoying. And then my headset like was destroyed. You know, I couldn't even like, I couldn't like I wanted to talk, but I couldn't hear me because like my microphone didn't work. You know, and he called me entire time Pico, and I was like here, and I was so sad because my mic was destroyed, my headset, everything. Like I love this headset. I have so many great memories with it. I've got it for 5 years, played with it CS:GO, these 3,000 hours, Fortnite, everything. It was destroyed. I couldn't hear. I was depressed, alone. I couldn't talk. It's like everyone was ignoring me. And during that time, I was feeling like that. I got caught Pico for 1 hour straight.
Guys, if you see a people, you know it's a people.
Would have been clean if I didn't have to thrash it. Oh, can we get it? Oh, that's so annoying. I want a bit, like, I think this car has a wide body kit. I want like a car that is so, like I can actually squeeze through 2 cars, you know, that would be so nice. I know guys, I should go in 4th gear, but like, I'm too lazy. I just want to cruise a bit, you know? I don't want to be, oh my god, I'm too spent. You know, like, I could do this. And then you need to drive, gas, and brake, you know? Oh my god, this takes so much energy just to do this. Also, like these servers when we got in, like, okay, they don't need that handshake
Can you
thing.
please shut the fuck up and...
I'm sorry. I just want to say, like, these servers we are driving, they don't have the crazy cars, you know, that Rocket Bunny 900 or something like that. Bravos.
Joe Myers is here.
What? Where is Joe Myers?
You are the one.
Where is Joe Myers?
You are.
You mean Joe Lutchen? Oh, who do you mean? What do you mean? Yo, shout out to Joe Lutchen, man. We wanted to play on the Nürburgring thing, but we couldn't download it. So now we are stuck on Shutoku. Guys, smash like if you think I have a big cock. Man, what am I talking, man? Yeah, these last videos are so, like, I don't give myself, I talk like an idiot, man.
There's not gonna treat the Roblox bro.
No. You are not. We waste so much. Okay,
Play
let alone play with random people. He wants to play chained together, man, but this is a waste of time, not with him. He always falls.
Falling, dreaming, to cry on.
Oh, no, falling, dreaming.
This is so dumb.
Yo, we need to do some car pole. Now, how is it called? Car. How is it called? Carpool. What is it called? Karaoke.
Carpool,
car. Coal. Car charcoal.
Everything sounds
Karaoke. Koki. Kara.
Shut your little mouth.
Shut your bitch ass up. Man, drive. You've got a rangy, but you don't drive. What the hell? Yeah, this is some random video, guys. I think I just call it random video.
Shut your mouth, girl.
Swimming through traffic and yapping, bro. And I didn't even consume alcohol, guys. It's just me, like, when I'm confident around people. Yeah. Stan makes me very comfortable. Are you for real watching the right video, fans?
What else forward?
Are you watching the right video?
No, bro, I don't speak English now. Shut up, bro.
I will talk to you. I will continue to talk with you English.
Okay,
This is okay for you.
Nee, maar is fun dat.
Oh, how long is that map actually?
Gemeinsam eine Kollektion aus. Und das ist sehr sogar mit diesen Schwarzstücks, die beiden zusammen fusioniert wurden. Jetzt schon einmal Grau und Schwarz und Grau gemacht, sonst 20 so bei Schwarze, hübsche und die schöne Schwarz. Es wird das zweite Tutorial geben.
Yeah, what are you watching for thing? He's a man, you mother or what? What are you talking about, dog? Are you watching TikTok? No, put it off, man. Put it off. We are right back on track. We are back on track. Where do we start? No, put off the music, man. I'm doing a video.
Oh my god, I'm doing a video. Shut your mouth.
Look at Pants. This is how he is. Don't forget
This is how he is. Guys, this is how he is, guys. Guys, did you see how he is, bro?
Oh man.
Guys, you can see live how he is, bro.
What?
Guys, did you know this how he is?
Shut up, man. Stop trolling me, dog. Stop trolling me. Don't do this. You don't want problem with me, dog. You don't worry me. He tried to crash. He crashed me. He tried to leave. He tried to leave. Oh, let's do this, okay? Oh, let's do this. Let's play this game mode. Like, I crash in you, and then I'm trying to leave, okay? And you need to get back to me, you know?
I'm playing little Roblox now. Shut your mouth.
Oh, but this game mode would be actually so fun.
If we're going to be short, so.
Assetto Corsa, dog. Don't you know these TikTok clips like where somebody hit a car and then he trying to leave, and then the guy drives behind him very fast, very aggressive, and said, "He hit me and he trying to leave." Don't you know this clip? Alright, no response. Do you hear me, Vance?
Yeah.
Do you know these clips?
Nah.
Nah, it's crazy. You're wild. You're wild for this.
En dat staat ook wel dat geht nicht, weil verstehst du nicht.
It works, man. Here's the start. So we drove around to start. I should be back here. No, this can't be the start.
Roblox, bro.
Yeah, we just try to get back to the start where we were. And
Ja, dat zegt me zo, ik dat het ook wel aan die...
yeah, but it will work, dog. I don't know why Shutoku is one of the most played maps, actually. Not even that great. Okay, it's in Japan, you know? Yo, we have the same car before me. One is faster than the other one. Just staying at 30 gears actually. Oh, poopa! Poopa! Yo, how I'm positioned here on my car is crazy. I need to boost, guys. Yeah, I will finish my video quickly. Yeah, I just finished here, guys. Guys, it was a tiny video compared to the other videos. I hope you still guys enjoyed the video. It was actually like, it had not much sense, the video, just like laughing, some behind the scenes how bands actually is. And I don't care, guys. This is just some random clip. Yes. I hope you guys still enjoyed. See you to the next video, guys. Bye.